Deciduous trees saving the forests of Cherkasy, how foresters overcome natural disasters. New forests are coming to Cherkasy region. Authorities plan to restore 500,000 hectares of woodland by planting nearly 3 million oak and pine trees. The focus is on creating more mixed forests. Foresters constantly fight against intensified pest invasions and also count losses caused by the growing populations of wild animals. Journalist Irina Vasura reports on the new challenges in forest cultivation. This site, over the years, will turn into a dense forest. Today, pine and oak seedlings will be planted here. For now, they are only 20 centimeters tall. To help the young trees take root, specific planting techniques must be followed. The process takes 3 steps. First, a hole is dug, then the seedling is placed into it. The main rule is to set the seedling as deep as possible and then gently pull it upward. This particular plot will be mixed, 4 rows of pine alternating with 1 row of oak. Such a pattern helps protect the forest not only from fires but also from diseases. Coniferous and deciduous trees are affected by different pathogens. If an infection spreads within a certain area, a row of deciduous trees can act as a barrier, preventing pests from moving further across the plantation. This year's tree planting campaign started a month earlier. Due to a dry autumn and snowless winter, planting began in late February. The greatest threat under these climate shifts is pests. This very site, where a new forest will soon grow, had to be cleared earlier because of mass infestation. Pest populations are increasing as harsh frosts no longer occur. During the summer they reproduce by 2/3, overwinter without difficulty, and instead of beginning in April, their destructive activity now starts as early as March, when mild weather arrives. They gnaw the trees, spread bacteria, and the wood begins to wither. Plant seeds are first sown in nurseries. Then foresters prepare strips of land, create furrows, and only after that transplant the seedlings. The seedlings are placed at an angle to avoid air pockets around their roots, and the soil is pressed tightly. It will take at least 6 years before the trees fully cover this bare land, and in 60 years, this area will transform into a complete forest. The State Enterprise Forests of Ukraine is actively working to secure permanent rights to lands suitable for reforestation. In line with the President's Green Country program, these areas will be reforested and cultivated into new woodlands. Forests are constantly replanted, treated, and cared for. This year alone, over 500 hectares in Cherkasy region are set to be planted, nearly 3 million seedlings in total.